Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a GMC Sierra door handle. First, gather your essential tools like a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic trim removal tool. Make sure your workspace is clear and well lit to avoid misplacing small components. Understanding the sequence of steps beforehand will make the process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's access the inner workings of your door. Begin by carefully prying off any decorative trim pieces around the door handle and window switches using your plastic trim tool. Next, locate and remove all visible screws that secure the door panel to the door frame. Finally, gently disconnect any electrical connectors attached to the window switches or door lights. With the door panel removed, you can now reach the handle mechanism. First, locate the connecting rods or cables attached to the handle and carefully detach them. There are usually one or two rods that simply clip into place. Next, unscrew any bolts or fasteners that hold the handle assembly itself to the door structure. These are often 8mm or 10mm bolts. Finally, with the rods and bolts disconnected, you can carefully guide the entire door handle assembly out of its opening in the door. Take a moment to inspect the area for any remaining clips or hidden fasteners that might still be attached. Remember to store all removed parts, especially small screws and clips, in a safe place for when you are ready to reinstall or replace the handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.